Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out my new garden kneeler. It pops right open, there's no assembly required, and it comes with this great, really thick foam for our knees to rest on while we do all of our gardening. We have a super sturdy steel frame here, and it's also foldable, so it's easy to take anywhere without taking up too much space, and that's also great for storage. And we can use this as a kneeler, or you can turn it around, and if you want to have a nice little seat, maybe take your lunch while you're in your garden, you can do so as well. So everything you see in this clip is included. The tool handbag and pouch have a ton of pockets and a lot of interior space, and the gloves are durable and fit most hand sizes. We have a great ergonomic design in this garden kneeler and seat that protects our knees from scrapes and rough ground while gardening, and it also helps assist with standing up, which I really like, and provides a comfortable place to sit as a stool. The kneeling pad I pointed out at the beginning of the video is thickened, and it's made of EVA foam cushion to ensure plenty of back and knee support when we're sitting or kneeling. Our garden kneeler here can support up to 330 pounds, and it's complete with a snap lock that ensures it stays shut when it's flipped and used as a garden stool.